Ever wondered how intermittent fasting could potentially revamp your health and lifestyle? Imagine a world where you could achieve your health goals without drastically changing what you eat, but rather when you eat. Intermittent fasting, a time-honored and scientifically backed method, may be the game changer you've been looking for. It's more than just a diet trend. It's a way of life that could redefine your relationship with food. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we unravel the method, benefits, and key points of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting, a term you've probably heard often, but what does it truly entail? Let's dive into this intriguing concept, which has been gaining popularity in recent years. Intermittent fasting is not so much a diet, but more accurately, it's an eating pattern. This pattern cycles between periods of eating and periods of fasting. It doesn't dictate what foods to eat, but rather when to eat them. The focus is on the timing of your meals, not the content. The origins of intermittent fasting are quite fascinating. It's not a new fad, as one might think. In fact, it dates back to ancient times. Our ancestors, who were hunters and gatherers, didn't have the luxury of supermarkets or refrigerators. They ate when they could hunt or gather food, and they fasted when food was scarce. This pattern of eating and fasting is believed to be more natural to our biology. Now let's delve into the different methods of intermittent fasting. The first one is the 16-8 method, also known as the 8-hour diet. In this method, you fast for 16 hours and eat only during an 8-hour window. This could mean skipping breakfast and having your first meal at noon, then finishing your last meal by 8 in the evening. The second method is the 5-2 diet, where you eat normally for 5 days of the week and limit your calorie intake to about 500 to 600 calories on the other 2 days. The third method is the eat-stop-eat method. This involves a 24-hour fast once or twice a week. For instance, if you finish your dinner at 7 in the evening on Monday, you would not eat again until 7 in the evening on Tuesday. It's important to remember that these methods are not one-size-fits-all. Each individual is unique, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's all about finding the method that fits into your lifestyle and is sustainable for you in the long run. Now that we have a grasp on what intermittent fasting is, how does one get started? Let's begin with step 1. Choose a method that fits your lifestyle. There are various approaches to intermittent fasting, the most popular being the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. Another is the 5-2 method, where you eat normally for 5 days of the week and restrict your calories for 2. The key is to choose a method that suits your daily routine and health goals. Next, start slow. Jumping headfirst into a strict fasting schedule might overwhelm your body. Perhaps begin by extending your overnight fast. If you usually have breakfast at 7 in the morning, push it to 9. Gradually increase your fasting window over several weeks. This allows your body to adjust smoothly to the new eating pattern. Step 3, stay hydrated. During fasting hours, water, black coffee, and unsweetened tea are typically allowed and encouraged. Staying hydrated helps to curb hunger pangs and maintain energy levels. However, be mindful of not overdoing caffeinated drinks, as they can cause dehydration. Moving on to step 4, balance your meals during eating windows. It's essential to fill your meals with nutrient-dense foods, including proteins, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. Although intermittent fasting isn't about what you eat, a well-balanced diet enhances the benefits of fasting and keeps you satiated for longer. Lastly, listen to your body. Everyone's body responds differently to fasting. If you feel lightheaded, overly hungry, or unwell, it's a sign that you might need to adjust your fasting method or schedule. Always prioritize your health and well-being over sticking rigidly to a fasting schedule. Remember, it's not just about when you eat, but what you eat as well. Intermittent fasting is a tool for better health, and combining it with a balanced diet and regular exercise can yield significant benefits. Happy fasting! As we delve into the world of intermittent fasting, there are crucial points to bear in mind. First and foremost, it is pivotal to remember that intermittent fasting is not a diet but a pattern of eating. It's about when you eat, not what you eat. It's crucial to maintain a balanced diet throughout your fasting journey, ensuring you get all the necessary nutrients your body requires. Secondly, personalization is key. The beauty of intermittent fasting is that it can be tailored to suit your lifestyle. Whether you're an early bird or a night owl, find a fasting schedule that complements your daily routine. Next, hydration cannot be overstated. During your fasting period, while you're not consuming any food, it's important to stay hydrated. Drinking water, black coffee, tea, and other non-caloric beverages can keep you from feeling parched and also help suppress hunger pangs. And lastly, listen to your body. Intermittent fasting should not feel like a punishment or a burden. If you're feeling weak, dizzy, or unwell, it's okay to take a step back and reassess. Remember, it's about promoting better health and wellness, not pushing your body to its limits. Intermittent fasting is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a journey tailored to individual needs and lifestyles. As we conclude, it's essential to remember that intermittent fasting is a tool, not a magic wand. It's a lifestyle change that requires commitment and understanding. When practiced correctly, intermittent fasting offers a host of benefits like improved mental clarity, weight management, and even increased longevity. But remember, it's not a quick fix. It's a journey, a way to explore how your body responds to different feeding and fasting times. It's about finding the balance that works best for you, not following a rigid schedule set by someone else. Before embarking on this journey, it's crucial to consult with health professionals. They can provide guidance tailored to your specific needs and conditions, ensuring your fasting journey is safe and effective. Moreover, don't forget to listen to your body. If you feel unwell or if fasting is causing you distress, it's okay to pause and reassess. Your journey with intermittent fasting begins with understanding, and with this knowledge you are now equipped to make informed decisions about your health.